In this very short video, I'll show you how to capitalize a string in JavaScript. So let's say we have a string, hello world, and we just run the built-in toUpperCase method on it. And of course, since I'm using the Quokka extension, I can also put this in console log to get the output immediately right here in VS Code. Additionally, we can also use the following piece of code to achieve the same result, and that is to locale uppercase, and you see that the result is seemingly identical. So the question is, why would we then need or even have this to locale uppercase method? Well, the string value is not changed with to locale uppercase. However, at least in this case, there are locales, for example, Turkish, that we can pass into this. And now let's see, we have a word, so maybe immediately. And now when we use this word, what's going to happen is we are going to get different letters. So basically, for example, in Turkish, case mappings diverge from Unicode case mappings, and thus the resulting string might be different. And in this case, as we can see, it actually is different. So that's why we have the existence of the to uppercase and to locale uppercase methods that seemingly do the same thing, but actually there is, like I said, a slight difference in what they exactly do.